Hey there, fellow guitar enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Dell Do-It-Yourself channel. Today we've got something truly special to talk about, the iconic Butterscotch Blonde Telecaster. It's a classic to the world of guitars, and I can't wait to dive into all the details. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the looks. Take a look at this beauty. The Butterscotch Blonde finish is a timeless classic. It's simple yet elegant. It's synonymous with the Fender Telecaster. The finish actually has quite an interesting history, as it dates back to the 50s when Fender first introduced the Tele. Now let's talk about the design and construction of this guitar. The Telecaster is known for its simplicity and functionality. The body is typically made of ash or alder, and it has that distinct single cutaway shape that's not only comfortable to play but also allows easy access to the higher frets. But what really makes the Butterscotch Blonde Telecaster stand out is its unmistakable sound. The combination of single coil pickups and that bolt-on neck construction gives it a unique, tangy, bright tone. It's been the go-to guitar for many country and rock players for decades. That's what they mean by the bolt-on fretboard, bolts on in the back. Bruce Springsteen is famous for playing a Butterscotch Blonde Tele. He bought the guitar in 1972 for $180, and it appears on many of his album covers. Other famous players of the Butterscotch Blonde Telecaster include Keith Richards, Jeff Buckley, Danny Gatton, Roy Buchanan. Other players of the Telecaster include Waylon Jennings, Buck Owens, Merle Haggard, Red Volkert, Brad Paisley, Vince Gill, Marty Stewart. One thing that surprises many people in the versatility of the Telecaster, while it's known for its twang, it can handle a wide range of musical genres, from country to rock, blues to punk. This guitar can do it all. It's a true workhorse. It's a true workhorse. When it comes to playability, the Butterscotch Blonde Telecaster shines. The neck is unusually comfortable, and the fretwork is typically superb. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find this guitar a joy to play. So there you have it, the Butterscotch Blonde Telecaster, a guitar that has stood the test of time and loved by countless players, a true classic in every sense of the word. If you'd enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more guitar-related content. Do you own a Butterscotch Blonde Telecaster, or have you always dreamed of having one? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep on rocking.